There you go. Okay.
How now that you're bigger, how do you say it?
Mama. Mama.
Daddy.
Mama.
Cooper, can you say mama? No. Now that you're older, how do you say mama?
Mom.
Now that you're young, when you were a baby, how do you say mom? Happy Valentine's Day, and we got a song to do. You ready? And we're going to do I Am Me. Ready? I am me, can't you see? From my head down to my toes, I can show my pretty show. I am me. I am people that like you. I like to dance and sing and shout. Da 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 da. I don't know.
Okay.
I am. Can't you see?
Oh, hold on. Here, we'll stop.